pop that box. My name is Mike, and today we're gonna play some Chase Roulette. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you hit the like button? And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification button because it's right beside the subscribe button. And for today's Chase Roulette, we are going for the Sasuke Uchiha Chase. I assume that if you order 6, you're guaranteed 1 chase, but you never know. Sasuke Rinnegan, number 1023. This is a pop animation from the animated series Naruto Shippuden.
It's my time, watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
I've decided to turn this Chase Roulette into a Chase Run because it's not roulette if you know what you're gonna get. Here's the OG Anbu Black Ops Kakashi, number 994, from the animated series Naruto Shippuden.
On a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new
Minato, Mamikaze, number 935. Also from the animated series Naruto Shippuden.
Let me go. It's a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure.
So YouTube, what do you think of all these Naruto Shippuden chases? Were they dope? If they were dope, make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and turn on that notification button because I suck with schedules. Now for the ones who didn't think it was dope yet, I have something for you. Kurama mode, Kurama, number 97. And this is a OG exclusive from EV Games or GameStop.
On a new adventure.
Naruto Hokage, number 724. From the animated series Boruto, Naruto Next Generations.
Adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
Alright YouTube, well, that's all the pops I have for you today. Which one was your favorite? My favorite is Sasuke Rinnegan. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Oh, but hold up, we're having a giveaway. That's right. Since there are so many of these AAA anime exclusives from this chase run, I thought I'd give them away because they're also pretty dope for common pops. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment which prize you want to win. Minato, Sasuke, or Kakashi. And if you haven't seen these two episodes, check them out. Peace.
a new adventure.